Good morning everyone. So today we are going to do phonic sound of E, question and answer. So first question is, what is ringing? What is ringing? Yes, bell is ringing. B E L L, bell is ringing. R I N G, ring. And now ink, ING, ink, ringing. Okay, bell is ringing. And then full stop. Who fell into the well? Who fell into the well? Dog. D-O-G, dog fell into INTO, into the THE, the well, WELL. Now the full stop. Who has a sheep? Amit, AMIT, Amit has a sheep. Amit has a sheep. Okay, so these are 3 questions which we have to write and learn. Thank you and bye-bye.